Hey everyone, how are you doing? It's been a while since I've been on camera. I've missed the last couple of videos, and you probably saw my post that I put about receiving some bad news. So in this video I'm going to tell you what my situation is at the moment and the plans going forward. So I had an email from my employees, which I suspect most of you will be doing so as well because of this COVID-19 that is really decimating the UK economy and other economies around the world as well. And I've been put on furlough, and unfortunately where the situation is in my industry, and I work in the IT industry, it's not looking good. So my employees have decided to end my employment, so I've been made redundant, and that's quite a hard thing to take after you've been putting your heart and soul into an industry for a number of years. The current place I've been working for in the last 3 years, but I've been working in IT for 20 years, and it's just made me think, do I really want to continue in this industry? You know, the things that I'm really passionate about is I love doing this channel here and dealing with cars, but the problem I've always had is that it doesn't pay that much. You know, in my IT career I was a senior manager, so I was getting paid a good salary, and that salary allowed me to be able to do this channel. This channel has been purely funded from my employment, buying the cars, etc. That was not going to be possible unless I had the income that I have. I'm the only person in my household that works. My wife doesn't work because she's ill, so I'm the sole earner. And so now with this turn of events I have two choices. I'll get some redundancy, I can wait it out and see if I can find another job, but the way that this economy is going, I think that might be some time, so I have to do something else, and I've decided to change careers. And a good friend of mine is training me in that career, which I will be self-employed, and that will allow me to at least be able to pay the bills. But what it won't allow me to do is continue to do this channel. I want to do this channel, and I'm trying to find ways that I can do this channel along with my new career or new job. And if you want to know what that is, I am looking to do some window cleaning, so basically become a window cleaner. And the reason why I've chosen a window cleaner as a career is because of the freedom it gives me to be able to do the jobs that I want and work when I want. It doesn't pay the same as IT, but the way that IT is going at the moment with the backstabbing, etc. that goes on, I'm not sure it's a career that I want. I'd rather do a job that pays me an honest wage and then gives me the freedom to be able to do other things. And the other reason why I say it won't pay for this channel, because obviously starting any business you've got to put all your effort in there, you've got to build that customer base to be able to restore your income, and that's where I am. And I'm hoping that my redundancy will give me a good few months, but it's not going to give me the money that I have to be able to support this channel. So the channel will change. We won't see the fancy cars that we have. In fact, the cars that I have now will be sold. So the Fiesta, the ST and the Abarth, both will have to go, but fortunately the S3 will stay. That will be my permanent car. I'll probably get rid of the other A1 as well, so we just have one car, because if I'm going to go down the route that I plan to go, I'll have a van for work anyway. So yeah, so what does that mean for this channel? Well, I've still got a few videos in the pipeline, so we'll continue to do those, but after that it's really down to you guys. And what I mean by that is that YouTube pay us influencers, us YouTubers, us car YouTubers, a commission based on the ad revenue that we see. So all the ads that you see when you watch those ads, that pays towards the channel. But the UK car YouTubers, we don't get that much. I mean, if I give you an idea, the highest I've ever earned in a month is around £232, which is good. I'm not saying that's bad, but if you want to live off that, that's not the kind of earnings that you live. And because of the coronavirus that's going on now, a lot of the advertisers are not spending the money. So for example, for the last month I've earned something like £114 from ad revenue. I do have other streams that I use. So I have my merchandise store, which doesn't really earn me anything, to be fair, and my Amazon store, which is around sort of £20 a month, but again, it's not enough. So really what I'm saying is that if you're a casual viewer, become a full-time subscriber, because that helps with the analytics. Now, subscribers don't only earn you money, but it does influence the algorithm. When YouTube sees that your subscriber counts are going up, it promotes your videos more, which then attracts more subscribers. So I would urge you, if you want to see this channel continue and you're not a subscriber, to subscribe. And also watching the ads also helps as well. So I'm going to try and do this channel for as long as possible. I may not be as frequently as possible. I might start a bit of a Q&A for the midweek ones to keep the midweek going. I've still got the videos. A couple of you have sent some videos of your rides. I am going to feature those. And if you have a video that you want to send, please do send that. It will be in the comments below of how to send those videos. But I also want to do a bit of a Q&A on Thursdays as well. So if you have any questions, and I get a lot of people asking me questions, sending me via emails and Instagram, then let's use the Thursday midweek for me to help answer those questions that you may have on buying salvage cars, etc. I guess if I really am honest with you all, where I would like to go with this is perhaps do some car reviews, because I would love that opportunity, and I've written to Audi and to Fiat to see if that will be a possibility. I know that a few other YouTubers do that and get on quite well with that. It's just a case of whether or not they feel that this face is the appropriate face for that avenue, but certainly that's where I'd like to go, because I have a wealth of knowledge on cars. I have a passion for Audis and Fiats, and it will be just great to be able to explore that market, particularly because I'll now have the schedule that I can control to be able to really exploit that and to push it to the limit. So that's where we are, guys. So thank you for all the support that you've given me so far, the comments from you guys on the posts, etc. I'm sorry that I haven't been replying to them, but of course I'm sure you understand that with the mood that comes with losing your job, that it can send you on a little bit of a downer, which it did for me. But hey, that's life. So anyway, we should be back to our normal schedule on Monday. On Monday we're going to be doing something on the Abarth. We've got a few more parts that have arrived for the S3, and the S3 has been running really well. I had a bit of an air leak. I took it on the dual carriageway the other day, and there was this hissing sound, loud hissing sound. I've just discovered what that was. It was just one of the pipes from the turbo outlet from the inlet side wasn't tight, and so it blew itself off, which is amazing because the car still ran. I don't know how that car was able to run with that pipe in that state, because it was literally hanging off, but it still managed to do so. But I did notice it was definitely down on power. That's now repaired. I'm going to give it a quick test drive now, and we'll probably talk about that on a future episode. But thank you everyone. I probably will leave it there for now. So as we always do at the end of our videos, don't forget to subscribe down here. Let's hear your comments, and look forward to reading those and answering the ones. I've got a lot of comments to answer, so bear with me, but I look forward to reading your comments, and we will see you hopefully on Monday. Take it easy, guys.